Welcome! Today, we'll learn how to effortlessly integrate YouTube comments into your NotebookLM notes using the Gemini trick. This method enhances your research by utilizing community insights from YouTube. Let's dive into the process. First, find the video with relevant comments. Look for thoughtful discussions that add value. Next, copy the comments you want to use. Highlight them with your mouse and right-click to copy. Open NotebookLM and start a new note. Paste your comments directly into your workspace. Finally, credit the original sources. This not only respects the creators but strengthens your notes. By incorporating YouTube comments, you enrich your insights and expand your knowledge base. This Gemini trick is quick and effective. Boost your productivity with minimal fuss. Try this method today. Start documenting fascinating insights from the YouTube community. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on enhancing your digital literacy. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring new ways to make your notes shine. Happy note-taking with Gemini.